Proportion is used quite often on things like conversion graphs, which often relate to things like currency, so converting one currency to another. In reality, currency changes literally throughout a day, but if we want to work out a rough amount that, say, our British pounds might be worth in euros or dollars, then we can use a currency converting graph to help us work that one out. So this is actually a conversion between English pounds and Australian dollars. So let's go through this question. So we've got change 20 Australian dollars into pounds. So first of all, we need to work out where 20 Australian dollars are. So Australian dollars are on our y-axis. And I would absolutely recommend that we use a ruler to make sure that we're reading accurately. So we're going to draw a line along with 20 Australian dollars. And then I need to be able to read down accurately. Much easier in actual pen and paper rather than this method, but there we go. So I'd probably say I've got about £8.80 for 20 Australian dollars. So it's not, to me, it's not quite on the £9. Then we've got to change £7 into Australian dollars. This time we're going to go the other way. So let's find the ruler. And let's make sure we're reading off the right axis. So this time I want to go on the x-axis, read up to the line, and then I want to read across. Oops. Oh, how did I manage to do that? Okay. There we go. Apologies, my line has slightly disappeared there, but hopefully you can see the reading would be more or less accurate. So we're going to end up with, again, actually looking at the axes, the pounds, for every 10 small squares is £2, and on the y-axis, every 10 small squares is 5 Australian dollars. So on this particular one, this would look like 16 Australian dollars. And then lastly, we're going to change £400 into Australian dollars. Okay, now you can see that there isn't £400 on this chart. Let me just remove the current workings. So if I want to change £400 into Australian dollars, I've got to think of a way of multiplying up. So the easiest number to go for here is 10. So I'm going to read up from where 10 is. I'm drawing my line. A thinner line would have been more useful. Okay. And now I'm going to see that I have got, for £10, I get 22.5, so $22.50. So if I have £400, well, that's 40 times larger than I've currently got. So I do 40 times by the $22.50, and that gives me a total of 900 Australian dollars.